Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 3 power n equals -3. Solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. So, we are going to have this as 3 power n equals, this is -3, which we can express as -1 times 3. So, from here, consider the fact that if you have e power I times pi plus 1, this equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals -1. So applying that here, we have 3 power n equals e power I times pi times 3. So from here, you can apply natural log of 3 power n equals natural log of e power I times pi times 3. So right now, if you have natural log x power y, this equals y times natural log x. So n comes behind this natural log. We have n times natural log 3 equals natural log e power I times pi times 3. So from here, natural log a times b equals natural log a plus natural log b. Applying that here, we have natural log n times natural log 3 equals, this is natural log e power I times pi plus natural log 3. Now, if you have natural log x power y, this equals y times natural log x. So n times natural log 3 equals I times pi times natural log e plus natural log 3. From here, this eliminates this. Half n times natural log 3 equals I times pi plus natural log 3. Now there is n here, we can isolate it. We divide this by natural log 3. We divide this by natural log 3. This eliminates this. N equals I times pi plus natural log 3 divided by natural log 3. So from here, we have n equals I times pi divided by natural log 3 plus natural log 3 divided by natural log 3. This divide itself, we have 1. And from here, we have n equals I times pi divided by natural log 3 plus 1. So let's solve this using a different approach. So we have 3 power n equals -3. And from here, I can easily make use of natural log of 3 power n equals natural log of -3. Now, I can have natural log of 3 power n equals natural log of this is -1 times 3. So if you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. Applying that here, you have n times natural log of 3 equals natural log of -1 times 3. Now, you have n times natural log of 3 equals, here, if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So we have natural log of 1 negative 1 plus natural log of 3. So, also remember, we have square root of negative 1 equals I. If you take the squares, this cancels this, you have negative 1 equals I power 2. So we have n times natural log of 3 equals natural log of I squared plus natural log of 3. So remember, natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. Applying that right here, I'll simply have n times natural log of 3 equals 2 times natural log of 5 plus natural log of 3. So what I'm going to do will be to isolate n. I divide this by natural log of 3. I divide this by natural log of 3. This eliminate this. Have n equals 2 times natural log of 5 plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 3. So from here, have n equals 2 times natural log of 5 divided by natural log of 3 plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 3. This eliminate itself, we have 1. So we have n equals 2 times natural log of 5 divided by natural log of 3 plus 1. Now, if you have natural log of a divided by natural log of b, this equals natural log of a to the base of b. Applying that here, we have n equals 2 times natural log of 5 to the base of 3 plus 1. So this also is a solid solution based on this particular identity. So we have two solutions right now, but they are obviously the same. Look at it here. At this point, we have I times pi. So we can say that 2 times natural log I is the same thing as I times pi. So that is why this particular solution is correct. And that's also the reason that this other solution here is correct. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you and goodbye.